How to fix AirPlay. Not working on iPhone. Let's get started. In this video, I'll walk you through some quick and easy fixes to get it up and running again. Imagine you're in the control center, trying to screen mirror or share music, but your AirPlay device just doesn't show up. Frustrating, right? Let's fix that. First, check the device you're trying to AirPlay to. Make sure it's turned on, connected to Wi-Fi, and that AirPlay is enabled. You can usually find this in the settings menu of the target device. Without this, your iPhone won't detect it. Next, make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This step is crucial. If you're using Wi-Fi boosters or extenders, ensure both devices are on the same one. To refresh your connection, head to your iPhone settings, toggle Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This quick trick can often resolve connectivity issues. If AirPlay still isn't working, it's time for the classic fix. Restart both devices. For the target device, unplug it from the power source completely, wait about 10 seconds, and plug it back in. For your iPhone, restart it by pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and holding the power button until you see the slide to power off option. Wait for it to shut down completely before turning it back on. If issues persist, check your proximity to the AirPlay device. Sometimes being too far away can interrupt the connection. Additionally, restarting your Wi-Fi router can often solve network-related problems that might be causing AirPlay to malfunction. And that's it. By following these steps, your AirPlay should now be working perfectly. If this video helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.